Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So if I go to the browser, you can see we have login, registration and dashboard three link here, right? So let's say if somebody log in, that time actually we shouldn't show these two item here, login and registration. We can only show the dashboard, okay? But let's say if not logged in, then actually we shouldn't show here dashboard. So we'll actually fix all of them. And let's say if somebody click on buy now, okay, that time actually we will check that if it is logged in or not. I mean the user is logged in or not. If not logged in, then we can actually we will check if logged in, then allow him or allow the customer actually to buy it. Okay, so here you can see we have right here buy now, so we have to change it because it cannot be buy now, it should be order now. All right, so let's solve this issue. So let's go to the browser. I'm code editor here, and here you can see I need to track the user logged in or not, so I have to use here session, right? So I will start session here. So here at first I'm going to change it to order now. Now let's go here and check if it is changed or not. Yeah, so now let's say if somebody click on order now, it will actually check the user is logged in or not. So we'll say here that PHP, and here I'm going to say that if is set dollar underscore super global variable session, okay, super global variable session, and if there is any user ID. Why? Because in the login page you can see that we have set session user ID. All right, okay, so we'll actually check if we set user session ID or not. To give here opening curly braces, and we'll check if we set user ID, then let me copy it and I will paste it here. So we'll actually close it here, curly braces. All right, so we close the if statement, and here let me copy once again, paste it here. We don't need it. And now I will say if it's not set user ID, so it will actually go to the login.php. All right, so now let's refresh it, and let's say now I want to order now, and here you can see I'm not logged in, so it will actually took me to the login page. So it's done. So now let's go for the login, registration and dashboard issue. So here I will say that at the top, so let me just copy it once again, and at the top here you can see we have 8. Okay, so I'll paste it here, and I'm going to say that okay, I don't need this one, let's remove it, and I want to cut it, I want to paste it here. So oops, not here, really here. So here you can see I'm checking that if we have any user ID, session user ID or not. If not, we will actually show these two items. And here I'm going to say that okay, if we have this item, if we have user ID, then actually we will show it. All right, script PHP here, and I'm going to say like this. So now let's check, refresh. Now you can see the dashboard is gone. And now if I let's say I want to log in, as just check how many user actually I have registered, anbir@gmail.com, let's say, and password is 123, log in. Now you can see go for user dashboard. So let's go back to the root folder, I mean the home page, and here you can see we have dashboard. And if I click on dashboard, it's not actually working. So let's go create a user dashboard, common user dashboard. Okay, so I will create new file here, and I will say that okay, the file name will be user dashboard, user underscore dashboard dot php. This is the file. And now I will say here that okay, go for user dashboard, user underscore dashboard dot php. And here in the login, we'll go to the login.php, and here you can see that if the login is successful, here you can see go for user dashboard. So we'll actually change it here. All right, we'll actually show him that, okay, header function, and there will be location would be the user dashboard, user underscore dashboard dot php. Dashboard home, and now let's go for the dashboard, and now you can see we are in the user dashboard, but we have nothing here. All right, so we'll actually design it in our next video, no problem. And now one thing I want to share here, that you can see we can go to the admin. Okay, and in the admin dashboard we have to change here, right? So let's change here. I want to say here that header function, and here I want to set location is I have to go back to the root directory because I'm in the admin folder right now. So root directory, and then user dashboard, user underscore dashboard dot php, and let me just copy it. Okay, I have to give here semicolon, and let me just copy it, and I'll go at the here view items, and here also you can see we have to change it, right? And the add item also we have to change it. Okay, so we have changed everything, and now our project is okay. So we have actually solved all the common issues or common problems, whatever you say. The user actually can place order. Okay, so we'll work with user dashboard. Here you can see user dashboard, we have nothing in the user dashboard, so user can go to the user dashboard and can actually see the order. Okay, they have ordered, so they can order items. So we'll actually do all the things in our next video. Okay, so see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.